Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can discard any items from your backpack in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Maybe sometimes your backpack is full and then you want to remove something from your backpack. If you want to do that, you can open up your backpack first and then you can select the items that you want to remove or that you want to discard from your backpack. And for example, I'm going to discard let me choose the item. I'm going to discard. Oh my god, it's so hard to decide. Okay, let's just discard the party popper. You can select the item that you want to remove, and then you can click on this delete icon, and then you can click on confirm. Yeah, just like this, and then the item will be removed from your backpack. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove any items from your backpack in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.